Made one structure, you have to see silently and revise it. Listen you all, this is structure. Here this side I had written debit and second side I had written credit amount. With the help of that we can see balance BD. We have to start writing from here. Balance BD in case of credit opening balance. If credit opening balance should be there, this much amount balance BD we have to write in the credit side. After that any bank transaction should be there, then also we have to write in credit. Next, salaries if given, then we have to write on the credit side. Next, interest on capital, if it is also here present in that, this will also we have to write in the credit side. Next word, profit and loss appropriation account. Before that video I had told about how to solve appropriation account. According to that we have to maintain profit and loss appropriation account. With the help of that we have to put the value here. So next one, after that balance BD should be there. This is the options, these are the options, these are the material, this content will come only in the questions. With the help of that you have to write this thing in the credit side. After that you have to make balance. Come on the second side, on debit side, balance BD, debit closing balance. Balance BD is a common between both, but closing balance would be here and here opening balance. According to that you have to match the questions. After that you have to write debit side or credit side. After that, if drawing should be there you have to write here. Interest on drawing you have to maintain here in debit side. After that, profit and loss account for share of loss balance CD. This is the important part of that. With the help of that you can able to write profit and loss account. This much amount you have to write here. After that we have to balance both. The balancing figure will be same. With the help of that we can know that our partner's capital account is correct and both transactions should be same, means dot balancing figure. And with the help of these notes you have to maintain your notes, and this note is a very important for making partners capital account. With the help of that you can make. So dear students, where is the similarities you have to see, that's why I written between the notes. This note is an important part of that. With the help of that you can able to make partners capital account. Next account is that this is a capital account. Next one we have to make current account. So dear students, you have to see partners current account. So in current account we have to come here, balance BD in case of credit opening balance. This much is the share. Balance BD we have to write in case of credit opening balance. This is the important thing. But here balance BD we have to write in debit side in case of debit opening balance. So there is a difference between both. What is in the questions? According to that you have to write debit opening balance, then debit side, credit opening balance, then credit side, then salaries credit side, commission credit side, interest on capital credit side, if interest on capital, profit and loss. After that, appropriation account, you know very well how to make share of the profit. According to that you have to write here, but difference between both I had written with help of this bracket. You have to see, in case of debit closing balance should be there, then this one we have to write on the credit side. If in case of credit closing balance, then we have to write on the debit side. The debit balance and credit. If debit closing balance will come, then we have to write in credit side. Credit closing balance will come, then we have to write in debit side. So balance BD in case of debit opening balance. We have to write. Next, drawing interest on capital, we have to write here on the debit side. Profit and loss account we have to maintain here. After that, last one, balance CD in case of credit closing balance. So this is the important part of that. With the help of that, you can identify which amount we will write in debit side and which amount we will write in credit side. With the help of, we will maintain our account and both sides should be equal. This is the partner's current account, and here one more table is here, partner's capital account. There is a difference between both. You have to see. If any problem, you have to ask the questions, and there is the comment box, you have to write comments also. But partner's capital account, partner current account, there is a difference between both. You have to make, when question will ask, according to that you have to prepare. Okay, thank you all. Next teaching class I will send you videos of questions.